Corefi is a coreference annotation tool that supports both within-document and cross-document coreference. Today I'm going to walk through the end-to-end crowdsourcing experience for exhaustive coreference annotation with Corefi. To start, Corefi provides an experiential learning environment that familiarizes users with its features and the coreference decision process. This experience will walk through how to perform coreference annotation. Displayed on the screen below is a document in two mentions. The first mention is automatically assigned to its own coreference cluster. Clusters are managed in the cluster bank. Clusters can be selected with the arrow keys or by clicking on a previously assigned mention. The current mention appears in purple. The current mention can be assigned to the selected cluster with the spacebar. Note that Corefi's experiential learning features can be used to guide users to the correct annotation. Since the current mention, acquired, does not co-refer with the only existing mention in the Intel cluster, it can be assigned to a new cluster with control space on Windows or alt space on Mac OS. Next, we will assign a couple coreference decisions. Note that Corefi is the only coreference annotation tool that guarantees exhaustive annotation. Each available mention must be exhaustively compared against every available cluster before enabling submission. When annotators start to demonstrate proficiency with the nuances of coreference, they are ready to annotate. Here is an example annotation task. The best performing annotators are selected to review other annotators' decisions. Corefi is the first tool to guarantee exhaustive review for cluster-based coreference annotation. For each current mention, reviewers are presented with an annotator's decision. They can then choose whether to approve or modify the decision. In this case, the mentioned telephone does not co-refer internet, therefore the reviewer will correct the annotator's mistake. It is important to note that annotator decisions are not independent. Reviewer modifications of annotator decisions can affect the interpretation of downstream decisions. Corefi's novel reviewer mode helps to ensure the quality of coreference annotation. What's extremely powerful about this end-to-end process is that everything is self-contained in one single configurable web component. All three of the end-to-end experiences that we've seen, from onboarding, annotation, and reviewing, can be configured with a simple JSON configuration schema. Corefi is open source and embeddable. We thank you for your time. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us at Twitter or on our repo. Thank you.